Let's be honest, most modern AI coding agents feel like absolute black boxes. You run a command, it spins, consumes thousands of tokens, and prints a giant wall of text. If something goes wrong, good luck debugging it. You are trapped under layers of complex graphs, hidden chains, and heavy framework boilerplate. But what if you could open the engine room? What if you could inspect every turn, every tool execution, and every memory compaction step in plain, readable code? The model itself is no longer the moat. Frontier models are becoming generalized reasoning engines. The real difference between a chaotic agent and a highly coherent agent is the orchestration layer around the model. Meet Tau, an open-source terminal coding agent from Hugging Face. Inspired by the TypeScript-based PyAgent, Tau is built from the ground up for Python developers. It is not just a tool to help you write code. It is a clean, teaching blueprint for how coding agents are actually built. At its core, Tau lives in your terminal. You ask it to explain a repository, write tests, or fix a bug, and it reads files, runs commands, and edits code. But unlike massive production codebases, Tau is designed to be read by humans. It enforces a strict separation of concerns, split into 3 thin packages. First, Tau_AI is the provider-neutral streaming layer, translating APIs from Anthropic, Hugging Face, or Google into a unified stream. Second, Tau_agent acts as the portable brain, managing messages, tools, events, and session replay. And third, Tau_coding turns the brain into a real terminal app, providing file system tools, CLI, and custom skills. By keeping the brain decoupled from the runtime environment, you can take Tau's core brain and plug it into a web UI, a VS Code extension, or a Slack bot without changing a single line of agent code. If you have tried building agents using popular framework libraries, you know they can quickly feel bloated. You get wrapped in nested classes, custom graph builders, and implicit magic that makes it impossible to see where the prompt is going. Tau does the opposite. It uses zero-agent frameworks. It is written in plain, modern Python. To run it, you simply initialize an agent harness config and call harness.prompt. It returns an asynchronous generator that yields typed events one by one. No hidden magic. Just clean Python data classes, simple loops, and explicit boundaries that keep the execution transparent and controllable. Let's look under the hood of the core engine, the agent loop in loop.py. This loop is completely stateless. You pass it a mutable list of messages, and it runs until the model stops requesting tools. Here is the exact data flow. First, it asks the model provider to stream a response. As the text deltas arrive, the loop translates provider-specific events into neutral message delta events. If the model finishes and only returns text, the loop appends an assistant message and stops. But if the model requests a tool call, the loop catches it, executes the tool asynchronously, appends a tool result message, and automatically triggers the next model turn. It yields events at every step, so your user interface stays responsive. How do tools work in Tau? An agent tool is just a schema defining arguments, plus an async executor returning a structured result. In tools.py, you will find the core coding tools: read, write, edit, and bash. Pay close attention to the edit tool. It implements a brilliant Py-inspired constraint system. Instead of letting the model rewrite entire files or guess line numbers, it requires the model to pass exact text replacements. If the target block matches more than once or not at all, the edit fails, and the tool rolls back the entire file instantly. This surgical precision reduces context pollution and keeps code edits safe. Now, here is a question for you. Is exact match search and replace editing actually safer, or is it too rigid for complex refactors? Drop your take in the comments. While the pure loop is stateless, your application needs state. That is where Agent Harness comes in. It acts as the motherboard. It holds the mutable conversation history, but exposes it to the outside world as an immutable snapshot to prevent accidental edits. It manages a simple cancellation token for safe, cooperative runtime cancellation when a user presses escape. And it supports an event subscription model. By subscribing to the harness, external logging, metrics, or persistence layers can watch the agent run without interfering with the main execution stream. This separation guarantees that the agent's logic is never tangled with the presentation layer. One of the biggest pitfalls in custom agent design is session persistence. If your agent crashes mid-run, or if you want to inspect a past session, how do you handle state? Tau stores history as a transaction log. Every session is an append-only JSONL file. When you start or resume a session, Tau reads the file sequentially, replaying entries to reconstruct the in-memory transcript. This append-only architecture ensures that your raw history is never deleted or corrupted. Furthermore, as sessions grow longer and accumulate thousands of tokens, Tau uses automatic compaction. It tracks estimated context tokens in context_window.py. If active context exceeds the safety threshold, Tau asks the active model to summarize the work, appends a compaction entry, clears the old messages, and starts fresh with only the summary and the most recent messages. The active context stays lean and cost-efficient. Because sessions are append-only logs, you can easily implement branching. Say the agent makes a mistake and you want to travel back in time to a steering point and take a different path. In Tau, you run the /tree command. It opens a terminal-based tree picker. You select any past message and press Enter to branch. Tau appends a new leaf entry pointing to that past message. The next prompt starts a new timeline. You can also press S to generate a branch summary entry. This summarizes the timeline you are leaving, providing goals, constraints, and progress as context for your new branch. Branching is structural navigation. It never deletes your old work, letting you explore multiple implementations safely. If you look at the original Pi repository, you'll see a TypeScript monorepo using npm workspaces and a custom ANSI rendering stack. It separates concerns beautifully, but setting up node workspaces and building TypeScript can feel heavy. Tau takes that exact same architectural philosophy and rewrites it in Python. It is package-based, uses flat directories, and leverages Textual, a robust Python terminal framework, to get autocomplete, modal pickers, and tabs out of the box. You don't even need to edit Python code to extend it. You can drop markdown files with front matter metadata into a skills/directory. When you run a command, Tau parses the markdown, wraps it in skill XML tags, and prefixes it to the prompt. It's a clean, non-intrusive way to inject custom instructions. If you are looking to build your own AI agent, Tau is the ultimate sandbox. By studying its code, you see that building a powerful agent isn't about finding a magical orchestration framework. It is about implementing clean design principles. Decouple your core loop, keep your harness front-end agnostic, design safe surgical tools, use durable transaction logs from memory, and manage your active context window actively. The code for Tau is open, readable, and ready for you to explore. Check out the repository at huggingface/Tau on GitHub, run UV-tool, install Tau AI in your terminal, and start building your own cognitive architecture. Thanks for watching.